So we're gonna look at our objective. I'll start and you repeat. Objective is what we are going to learn. Let's flip it over. It says, I can make and break groups of 8. So we are going to be building groups of 8 today. We can use some cubes and our number bond mats for this. So get those things out and we'll get started. All right, so like we talked about with our objective today, we are making or breaking groups of 8. So that's the number we're working with today. And we're going to begin by looking at some cubes. So if you have cubes with you right now, I want you to arrange them like this, just like I have here on the board. So I'm going to give you a second to do that, and then we're going to talk about what we notice here. So how many cubes do I have all together here? What is my total? I have 8 cubes, right? I have 8 cubes as my total. Now how many columns do I have? Remember, a column is kind of like a row, but it's up and down. How many different columns do we have, like towers? I see 2 different towers here. How many are in each tower? There are 4 in each tower. So that is one way that we can show 8. We have 2 towers of 4. 4 and 4. So we can split this group of 8 into 4 and 4. Now there's another way that we're making 8 here. Let's look at our different colors. How many green cubes do I have? I have 3. If I draw a line here to separate my colors, I have 3 green cubes. So I can also have 3 as one of my hidden partners. How many red cubes do I have? 4 and 1, which makes 5. I have 5 red cubes. So in this picture here, we're showing that 4 and 4 make 8, but also that 5 and 3 make 8. So we already can create 2 different number bonds looking at this group of cubes here. Let's look at it a different way. Now, what do you notice about my cubes now? So I turn them sideways, so now I've got 2 rows here, but I'm showing the same thing. In each row, I have 4 and 4. So that's one way that I can split my group. Or again, I can draw that line here, and look, I have 3 green cubes, and again, 5 red cubes. So we can again show that 8 can be made with 4 and 4. 8 is 4 and 4, or 5 and 3. Those are 2 different ways that we can make 8. We're going to find some other ways to make 8 today. So let's get started. So we're going to look at these examples together. This says, draw a line to make 2 groups of dots. Fill in the number bond. So right now, I see that my number bond has something in the total circle, and it has the number 8, because 8 is our total. That is how many dots we have all together. Now this is already showing us 4 and 4, but it wants me to draw a line somewhere here to split my group up. So I can draw a line here, or I can draw one here, or I can draw one here. I can draw one anywhere to split my group. I'm going to draw one right here. Now, how many do I have on this side of my line? I have 2 dots on that side of my line. So that means that one of my hidden partners is going to be 2. Now, how many do I have on the other side of my line? My other group. I have 6. So what did I show with this picture here and with my number bond? I showed that 2 and 6 make 8. Very good. 2 and 6 make 8. 8 is 6 and 2. Those are the same things. 2 and 6 together make 8. Let's do a different one. We're going to split our group differently this time. Let's find another way to do it. I could draw a line. Let's draw a line right here. Now, how many circles do I have on this side of my line? I just have have on the other side of my line? I have 7. 7. Now, what did I show with this drawing and with my number bond? I showed that 8 is 1 and 7. 1 and 7, when you put them together, make 8. Very good. So do you see how we're being given a group and we have to find a way to split it? We're learning lots of different strategies to build and to break apart our groups. We've learned about coloring in our cubes. We've learned about using our cubes. We've learned about drawing pictures. We've learned about looking at pictures using story problems. Now we're looking at these arrays, these different groups here, and we're splitting them using a line. Now for your homework, you're going to see the same thing. It says, draw a line to make 2 groups of dots. Fill in the number bond. So you're going to look at, here are your 2 problems, right here and right here. You have some different arrays. These groups of dots are called arrays. An array is like just the way that we arrange things, just the way that we make a group. Now in this first one, you can draw any type of line you want. You can draw it all the way down from the top. You can draw it in the middle. You can draw it over here. And then however you split the group on either side of the line, you're going to fill in your number bond to match. And then here, you're going to do the same thing. You can put your line here or here or here or here or here. You just draw one line to split the group, okay? So you're going to do that, and then you're going to fill in the number bonds to match. Notice your number bonds look different. Make sure you're watching for which one is your total circle and which circles are your hidden partner circles. All right, kindergartners, good luck. You guys are doing such a great job with our number bonds. We're learning so many different strategies, different tools to use to make our groups. Good luck today. I'll check in with you all later. Bye.